Get ready to geek out because we've got the top 11 coolest gadgets you can actually buy right now. From satisfying tech to must-have devices, we scoured Amazon to bring you the most innovative gadgets you'll ever lay your eyes on. So sit back, relax, and get ready to add some serious coolness to your life. Number 11. Kinscoter Volcanic Aroma Diffuser. Looking for a way to freshen up your space? Check out the Kinscoter Volcanic Aroma Diffuser. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to your favorite scents with this multifunctional device. Not only does it emit a pleasant aroma, but it also doubles as a nightlight with customizable colors. Plus, it's a humidifier, so you can enjoy up to 9 hours of fresh, moist air. And with its automatic shut-off feature, you don't have to worry about safety. Get your hands on one of the coolest and most satisfying gadgets on Amazon now. Number 10. StinkBOSS Deodorizer. Do you hate dealing with bad smells from your clothes, shoes, or sports gear? Introducing StinkBOSS Deodorizer, the ultimate solution to eliminate those nasty odors. This 3-in-1 gadget serves as a dryer, sanitizer, and deodorizer that uses heat and ozone to dry and remove bad smells from your belongings in just 30 minutes. No more using ineffective sprays or powders. Say goodbye to bad smells and enjoy your favorite activities with fresh gear every time. Get your StinkBOSS Deodorizer today. Number 9. Ear Micro T10 Bespoke. Are you ready to experience high-quality audio like never before? The Ear Micro T10 Bespoke earbuds offer just that. Not only are they the world's smallest wireless earbuds, but they also boast a rich hi-fi sound thanks to the superior audio technology from Klipsch. And let's not forget about the luxurious construction and stylish gull-winged storage case, making them a top choice for the discerning audiophile who wants the perfect combination of style and substance. Don't settle for ordinary earbuds, upgrade to the T10 Bespoke and immerse yourself in an audio experience like no other. Number 8. Mifa WildBox Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. Looking for a compact and versatile outdoor speaker? Check out the Mifa WildBox. This little powerhouse packs a punch with its 60-watt output, and it's water and dust-proof, so you don't have to worry about the elements ruining your party. With 2 built-in dynamics and 2 tweeters, you get clear, high-quality sound. And if you're looking to get the party started, just turn on the party mode for even more immersive sound. Plus, it's also a power bank, so you can charge your phone or other devices on the go. Get yours now and let the music take you on your next adventure. Number 7. Trene Control Alarm. Are you tired of worrying about your laptop when you're out and about? Enter the Trene Control Alarm, the perfect solution to keep your laptop safe and secure. Simply sync the device with the app and place it on your laptop, and if anyone tries to move it, you and the thief will hear an alarm. It's easy to activate and will give you peace of mind when you're working in a cafe or co-working space. No more running back and forth to check on your laptop. Just sit back and relax while enjoying your coffee break. Protect your laptop with the Trene Control Alarm, because prevention is always better than cure. Number 6. Sonkoloro G-Cube Storage Case. Do you love your AirPods but worry about their safety? Check out the Sonkoloro G-Cube Storage Case. With its mechanical design and magnetic installation, this case provides ultimate protection for your earbuds. But it's not just about safety, it looks pretty cool too. Made with luminescent materials, it glows in the dark and has a unique switch for added convenience. My personal favorite is the purple-green color that reminds me of the iconic Unit 01 from the anime Evangelion. Get your hands on this top coolest gadget on Amazon and keep your AirPods safe in style. Don't forget to let us know which gadget you're planning to buy in the comments. Number 5. Chovery Window Cleaner Robot. Are you tired of cleaning your windows by hand? Say hello to the Chovery Window Cleaner Robot. This device will clean your windows for you while you focus on more important things like your Zoom meeting. The robot comes with super suction power that keeps it in place and allows it to move around. cleaning up to 10 square feet every 3 minutes. It uses microfiber pads to get the job done, which can be either dry or wet, and a remote control to make the cleaning process even more convenient. Upgrade your window cleaning game today with a Chovery window cleaner robot. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Number 4. Vaultek LifePod Travel Case. Are you someone who enjoys outdoor activities and traveling? Then you definitely need to check out the Vaultek LifePod Travel Case. This durable and lightweight safe is perfect for protecting your valuables while on the go. The dual compression latches keep it tightly sealed, and the 3-piece foam lining ensures your items are kept safe and comfortable. Plus, it's waterproof, dustproof, and airtight. The touch-sensitive buttons and backlit display make it easy to use, and if you forget the code, there are 2 backup manual keys. And for extra security, turn on the anti-picking mode. Keep your items safe with the Vaultek LifePod Travel Case, the ultimate travel companion. Number 3. Creality Halot Ray 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality Halot Ray 3D Printer, the ultimate tool for bringing your imagination to life. With its advanced features, this printer delivers stunningly detailed models with a fine texture and smooth surface. The printer is equipped with an efficient air filtration system, making it safe for home or educational use. The updated software includes the Slicer Halot box, which automatically detects and eliminates model defects. Use the Creality Cloud app to work on your models, share them over Wi-Fi, and even remotely monitor the entire printing process in real time with the built-in HD camera. With its advanced mechanics and modern electronics, the Creality Halot Ray 3D Printer is a must-have for anyone looking to create the coolest and most satisfying 3D prints. Number 2. Xiaomi Smart Cat Eye 1S. Looking for a way to keep your home secure without sacrificing convenience? Check out the Xiaomi Smart Cat Eye 1S, a smart video doorbell that's perfect for families with young children or those who want an extra layer of protection. With a peephole camera installed outside your door and a screen inside your home, you can easily see who's at the door without even leaving your couch. The built-in security mode automatically starts recording video when someone approaches within 10 feet, and you'll receive a notification on your smartphone right away. Keep your loved ones safe with the Xiaomi Smart Cat Eye 1S. Number 1. Ulla Hydration Reminder. Do you ever forget to drink enough water throughout the day? Well, the Ulla Hydration Reminder is here to help. This device will remind you to stay hydrated at least once an hour. Simply attach it to your water bottle or any other liquid container and let the built-in sensors do the rest. No more annoying alarms or disruptions. The Ulla will become your health companion, reminding you to drink enough water for healthy skin, weight loss, reduced fatigue, and even prevention of diseases. Stay healthy and hydrated with Ulla. Thanks for watching our list of the 11 coolest gadgets you can actually buy. We hope you enjoyed seeing these awesome gadgets in action. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in purchasing any of these gadgets, be sure to click the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.